Welcome back, second graders. Here we are again at Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. Today, we're going to go over our calendar. We're going to add 2 quarters, but we get to play a game. We've played this game before, and this game is called Put It on the Line, and you guys will play against me, and I'll be one, and you guys will be another. Okay, let's get right into it. What do we think is going to be on Friday's marker? We've had an outdoor scene, an indoor scene, an outdoor scene. I bet this is an indoor, outdoor. I think so too. I think outdoor. Let's take a look. Haha, we were right. So this looks like it's in the front yard. Ooh, there's a lot of shapes on this card. I see rectangles. I see circles. Maybe a half of an oval. But what do you guys think they're trying to have us find? It has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Good job, you guys. I think it's the bicycle ramp, too. And what shape is it? Triangular prism. Good job, you guys. Okay, let's say our date. And as we're saying our date, we can look at yesterday's. Okay, so today's date is Friday, March 5th, 2021. Say it one more time with me. Today's date is Friday, March 5th, 2021. Pretty cool. Okay, let's write this on our calendar. I keep putting away my Sharpie so that I don't use it on anything else. I am going to write 4, but I'm not going to worry about it right this minute. So we had 5, 9, and 6. Okay, I went and got the card for triangular prism just so that I'm writing it right. Okay, and where do we think the scene is? Can we say front yard? Good, thank you, you guys. Okay, we are done with our observation. We get to add 2 more quarters. So I'm going to put 2 in. I'm going to glue 2 up. So how much is 2 quarters going to cover of my dollar? Good, half. Nice job, you guys. Now, because we've reached the end of the week, we are going to go in and exchange the quarters for dollar bills. Let me finish this part first. And let me write on our 5th day, we added 2 more, which now, I think this one I should have wrote $1. Because that's how much we were the other day. So now we're at $1.50, and we've covered 1.5. Okay, now comes the fun part, you guys. We get to take all of these quarters and turn them into dollar bills. Okay, so I'm going to bring these. And we know that 4 quarters equal $1. So I'm going to take away these quarters, and I'm going to put $1 in our dollar bag. And I'll put these 2 50 cents, or these 2 quarters back for next week. And then maybe next week we'll be adding more dollars. Okay, you guys, we are down to our last thing today. We are going to play the Put It on the Line game. And it's got questions that we have to answer. And then as soon as we figure out what the answer is, we're going to be putting them on our number line. You guys, I'm going to be red, and you guys are going to be blue. And so as we go along, I will write the answer in whichever color, and at the end, we're going to total them up and see who got the bigger number. Okay, I'm going to start. Oh, I have a word problem. Okay. Lori had some baseball cards. Her sister gave her 12 more for her birthday. Now, Lori has 72 baseball cards. How many did she start with? Two things that we have to do, I forgot. First, let's double check what type of number line we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. So it could be 1 through 10. I suspect this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I'm going to quickly grab a whiteboard so that we can do the equation. And don't use the permanent marker. Okay, so Lori had some cards. Her sister gave her 12 more, and she had 72. So I'm going to take that 72 and subtract 12, and I come up with 60. So my first number is going to be 60. And I can see that this one is super dark, so I know it's halfway through. That's going to mean it's 50. So I'm going to write my 60 right there. Okay, your guys' turn. Ooh, 3 10s and 20 ones. So 3 10s, 1, 2, 3, and 20 ones. I'm going to write that as 20. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you guys agree with me that you got 50? Good. We knew that this one in the middle was 50. Okay, my turn. Oh, I keep getting the hard word problems, you guys. Okay, James has 4 rows of stamps in his stamp book. There are 5 stamps in each row. How many stamps in all? So I'm going to do 4 rows, and I'm going to put 5 in each row. Ooh, this is my favorite way to count. I love counting by 5s. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. So he has 20 stamps in all. And if we said 0, 10, 20, I'm going to write my number there. Okay, let's see what you guys get the easy ones. Okay, 110 minus 2. Now that might feel like a really hard one to solve, but if we kind of made the zeros go away, what's 11 minus 2? And we can count backwards, 10, 9. So this turns into, we'll put those zeros back, it turns into 90. Good job, you guys. And because we know that the end was 100, I know that 90 is just one back. Okay, my turn. Ooh, this is a big one. So I want to give myself a little bit more room here. So I have 10 plus 35 plus 35. So 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm going to carry my 1. 3 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8. Ooh, I got 80. And 80 is 1 less than 90, so I knew exactly where to go. Okay, it's your guys' turn. Ooh, you guys have 10 and 75 and 75. So 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm going to carry my 1. 7 plus 7, we've been really practicing our doubles facts. 7 plus 7 is 14. 15. Okay, so 14, 15, 16. Uh-oh, I just did something wrong because our number line ends at 100. So this is where I was wrong. And I can be wrong. Teachers can be wrong. Okay, now let's go back and write this. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry that 1. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, you guys got 100. I'm so glad I redid that one. Nice work. Okay, my turn. How come I get the word problems every time? Okay, there are 92 kids in the cafeteria. That's pre-COVID. Some of the kids stayed in to wipe the tables. 82 of the kids went outside to recess. How many kids stayed in? Oh, So this is an unknown in the middle. So 92 minus what would make 82? You guys are so good because 9 minus 10 or 90 minus 10 would make 80. So 10 kids remained behind. Okay. Oh, that was me, wasn't it? Uh-oh, I better. Because I was just complaining about getting the word problems. Okay, now it's your guys' turn. Yeah, you guys get all the easy ones. 140 minus 100. 0. 4 minus 0. 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. You guys got 40. Okay, we're down to our last two. Do you think it's going to be another word problem? I think so. Oh, I didn't get a word problem that time. Okay, 30 ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and write 30 ones and 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. You guys have 45 minus 15. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 1. Good job, you guys. Is 30. Okay. So now I'm going to erase my board. And we're going to total up our answers. So let's do mine since I see red first. 10, 20, 60, 70, 80. Now, I bet you guys can guess who's going to win, but I want you guys to be looking at this as I add and see if your guess comes up like my guess. Okay, so I see a 10 right here. So that's 10 and 13, 23, 24. So I got 240. You guys have 30, 40, 50, 90, and 100. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Okay, do we see any 10s? Nope. But I know that 9 and 9 is 18. And then I can go 18, 19, 20, 21. 2 plus 1. Look at that. You guys won by 300. Well, what's 310 minus 240? So you guys won by 70. Woohoo! Okay, you guys, that is it for Friday. I hope you guys understood most of what we talked about, all the things that we've done this week. We will be going over them again next week. But if you guys don't understand, remember, I'm in Mr. Murphy's class on all the days of the week, so you can catch me and ask me, what were you trying to say to us, Mrs. Judd? But Mr. Murphy's kids and I will talk on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, you guys, I will see you next week. Bye-bye.